All right, hi everybody. Today we have Milo Smith here who is going to show us how to draw a train using 1-point perspective.
Hi.
All right, tell us what you're doing, Milo.
First, draw your horizon line and then make a dot wherever you want it. Then you want to make a square block. Draw these 3 lines and then draw some wheels like a small one, small one, small one. And then you need to draw the window. You can also do these in any order you want to. Some smoke coming out of the tin. We need tracks too. If there's enough space, you can draw one circle right here for one of those, and then you can put any details you want to. You can also paint on it. You can use details from this one. I didn't mean to draw this square block also.